There are a lot of methods out there to help you become a better affiliate marketer. Some work, most don't. Unfortunately, most methods promise the world, but just don't deliver on helping you get the results that you want. But what if there was a guide that would very quickly get you the results you're wanting? Not just for the short term, but for the long term too. Not just this, but learning the correct mindset and become a smarter affiliate marketer starting today. The best part? You'll be able to boost conversions faster to stand out from the noise and start making a living in an overcrowded market. So let me introduce to you Affiliate Marketing Influence, a guide that is jam-packed with tried and tested methods so you can see results fast. This is a product that will help you get the results you've been wanting and to create the correct mindset to achieve your goals for not only today, but for the rest of your online journey. There are so many products available on affiliate marketing these days, making it a challenge to know what's the best solution for you. More importantly, what works. These products can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each of them to know what will work best for you and your marketing methods. That's why this new product on becoming a smarter, wiser, and an influence in affiliate marketing is a guide that will help you in getting started to fast-track your online goals. This is an easy-to-follow guide which anyone can use to start learning how to become a better marketer, boost your conversions, and ultimately your commissions. Here are some things you'll discover inside. Targeting your traffic, choosing a niche, being successful, top tips for affiliate marketing, choosing a product, cloaking your affiliate links, practical advice, email marketing, adding bonuses, researching your product, boosting your conversions, blogging as an affiliate, avoiding spam, plus a whole lot more. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access today.